Alright, I'm ready to start my red senior shift. So let's grab my senior checklist and head over to my left here to check out the airway boxes and the procedure card. My airway box is here, and the procedure card looks good. And always put in the code and check everything else there, but just to make sure that the procedure card is here.
Chrissy, what's the code to the procedure card?
It is 0215. Now let's check out the rest of our checklist. On this side of the ED, I see 2 airway boxes.
You only need to see 1, but today we have 1 extra.
In room 19, I have my advanced airway card. I know that the blue tape is here and it's sealed, so everything looks good there. I also have my ambuscope. There's 1 ambuscope here right now. There should be 2, so we want to make sure that there's 2 ambuscopes. And we also have our fiber optic scope present right here on the side of the difficult airway card.
How do you open this cabinet?
All you have to do is pull hard and it opens.
Yay!
Next, we have our CMAC right in the corner here. And I've got a blade, a 3-blade and a 4-blade, so I know that I'm good there.
Awesome.
And my last thing on my checklist is the trig tray. Where is it? Yep. Trig tray was present. Oh. Right down here in the bottom.
You should be able to see through the window in the big tower.
Alright, and now we're heading to the medication room.
Right across from room 19, your badge should work to open this.
It probably did, but I didn't know until
Alright, so I'm in. So now I'm going to look in my drawers here. Everything. Here, I've got my IO drill. I'm just going to open it up and make sure my needles are there. I've got a pink needle, 2 pink needles, a yellow needle. I don't have a blue needle in here.
Okay.
And then I've got my IO drill. I'm not going to test it just because there's only a certain number of drills that it's able to do, but everything is present. And we've got extra needles also here.
Ah.
We have our pacer magnets, and they're all present in here. And we also have everything for our transvenous pacer. We also have our pacemaker kits up here as well.
Every blue phone you could ever want.
And then we have also our end tidal cords here. And you can see 2 right up here. And in case anybody wanted to know, these are the tubing that goes with that as well.
Fabulous. Green in color.
And then the last thing that we need to find is our Doppler,
Which is usually sitting on the counter.
As you can see, the Doppler is not present right now, but I believe that it's being used in one of the patient rooms.
Okay, so that will complete our list. And what you would do now
Is for the senior checklist.
You would write the date and time, sign the red senior signature, check that your checklist is done, and list any corrections that were needed. Today we found that we need the Doppler and we also need a second ambuscope. Then you would tell the red nurse and you would check later in the day to be sure that the problem was resolved. Thank you to Chrissy. That will conclude our red senior checklist educational video.